And welcome back to the channel. This is a short teaser video. Have to excuse the 3D printer that's chuntering along right next to me, knocking out some more bits for what I'm building. So this is a quick teaser. My universal ESP8266 board, stepper motor driver, and a small stepper motor, and basically it sits, well, it will sit like this on the board. I zoom down. Alright, and zoomed in, and I rotate that to say, I don't know, straight up, put power on. This is what it will do. And if I tilt it over, you can see the inside of that. Now this is to build, well, convert something for an up-and-coming project. This isn't part of the project, it's a tool for modifying something that will be used. Hey, this is just a teaser. I'll give you a hint. When it's running, a laser will be pointing down there. So it's an attachment to go in a laser cutter. So I'll leave you that. Leave you guessing. Put down in your comments what you think it might be. And if you like the channel, click subscribe, hit the bell. I'll catch you on the next one.